The purpose of this exercise is to calculate ending inventory and cost of goods sold under FIFO, LIFO, and average costs. The first part of this exercise is pretty much simple. We have to calculate weighted average unit cost. To get this, we must know the total number of units available for sale and the total cost of goods available for sale as well. Ignoring the total units from June 30th, which is right here, for now, we sum these three values from June 1st, 2nd, June 1st, 12th, and the 23rd to get 712. We'll go ahead and do that over here. And then we get the total costs over here and add them together as well. Oops. Hold on a second. And that gives us $4,372. And now what we do is divide the total cost by the total units. So over here it is 4,372 divided by 712. The answer is 6.140. That's the first part of this problem. The second part involves calculating the cost of the ending inventory and the cost of goods sold under FIFO, LIFO, and average cost. For FIFO, it assumes first in, first out, meaning the ending inventory would be our most recent purchases. We know that the total units for June 30th are $236 units. I'm sorry. So we start by multiplying 217 units by $7. So we'll go ahead and go under here. Right, we do that, and then adding on to that, we calculate 19 times $6 of unit cost. The reason for there being 19 is because that is the difference between 236, the total of June 30th, and 217, the total on June 23rd. The answer to that is 1,519 for the these are the two answers right here. And then we basically, once we've multiplied these, and we must now add these together. Oops. And the answer, the cost of ending inventory is $1,633. Okay, so. And then for the cost of goods sold, all we have to do pretty much is merely subtract the ending inventory from the total cost calculated previously. So in this case, it's 4,372 minus 1,633. And that is the cost of goods sold. And now for LIFO, it's a little different. it assumes last in, first out. So the ending inventory will be comprised of our older units. In this case, we will begin with our beginning inventory of 117 units times $5. So we'll go down here. So multiplying that times $5, that gives us $585. But then once again we have to see the difference between the ending amount on June 30th and the ending amount and the beginning amount on June 1st. In this case it's 119. And then we multiply that likewise by $6. It becomes $714. And then likewise we add these two together. To get $1,299 for the ending inventory. And then once again we subtract the ending inventory from the total costs, and which again is $4,372, and that is our answer for the cost of goods sold for LIFO. And then now finally we have average cost. For average cost, we simply multiply our weighted average unit cost by the number of units from June 30th. So in this case, we multiply this by the ending unit amount on June 30th. And it comes out as $141,449. But we want it to be without any decimal places, so we will reduce it down to this. And then to get the cost of goods sold, we just simply subtract this from the total costs. So and that is our answer right there. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.